In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to repeat column headers on every printed page in Google Sheets. This is a handy skill for anyone who's ever found themselves flipping back and forth between pages, trying to remember what each column stands for. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be printing documents that are not only professional looking, but also easy to read and understand. Let's dive right in. First, you want to make sure that your header row is properly positioned. Your header row contains the labels for each column, which could be something like name, date, or total. To keep it visible, we're going to freeze it, which makes sure it stays at the top as you scroll through your spreadsheet. Begin by selecting the very top row of your spreadsheet. This is typically your header row. Located at the top of your Google Sheets interface, you'll see the menu options. Click on View and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, navigate to Freeze. Hover your cursor over it and you'll see another set of options. We want to choose one row. By selecting this, you're ensuring that the very first row, your header row, will remain in place as you scroll through your data. This step is crucial for maintaining context as you move down through long lists of data. It's especially useful in extensive spreadsheets where remembering the data structure can be challenging. Now that we've got the header row frozen and ready, it's time to move on to the printing settings. Head over to File on the top left corner of your screen, click on it, and from the drop-down list that appears, select Print. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+P on a PC or Command+P on a Mac. This will open the Print Settings sidebar on the right-hand side of your screen. In the Print Settings sidebar, there's a section titled Headers and Footers. You'll want to click on it to expand the menu options. Inside this section, there's a feature labeled Repeat Frozen Rows. Enable this setting by checking the box next to it. By doing this, you make sure that the frozen header row repeats at the top of each printed page. This means no matter how many pages you print out, each will have clear, consistent column labels. This not only enhances readability, but also prevents any possible confusion over what each column represents. And there you have it. You've now learned how to repeat column headers on every printed page in Google Sheets. Your spreadsheets are now more professional and user-friendly, making data examination straightforward and less error-prone. Be sure to check your print preview to ensure everything looks just right before hitting that final print button. Thanks for joining me today, and